Hello, beautiful people, lovers of good things, lovers of goodwill all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always supporting this platform. I really do appreciate. In case you are hearing our voice for the first time, or you are coming across us for the first time, we still remain your one and only Progress News, giving it to you back to back. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and
ụmụnne ụlọ ụmụ na-achọ nke n'ụhụ ya nwere ebe ndị Igbo na-eme business na Liberia ebe a ga-anọ na oge ahụ natara the whole place ma mkpọchi today nwụ Thursday ka ndị kọtụ ndị gọọmenti obodo bịara na mgbọja agbachizi the whole place you know that everybody that no business for us to close the whole place ọhịa mere anyị na-ekwu Biafra ka nweta Biafra ka onye ọbụla lala ebe na eje nọrọ gbawa mbọ onwe kwụhụrụ enwe ebe ndị Igbo nọ la the whole world ha na-enwe peace a ga na-achọgharị nweta ka gị na-achọgharị ha ajọ nke onye the whole place na dị close down all the whole places lock and seal you know ọhịa mere na anyị pụta na-akwụ okwu how to find our own country otu anyị gịcha ala Biafra anyị jee nọrọ ndị Igbo kwa nụkwa agba anyị ụkwụ mere anyị gbaga anya anyị gba ọsọ gbakesịala obodo niile dị iche iche and obodo niile dị iche iche anyị gbakesịrị enweghị ebe anyị nọ peace ọgwa nọ the government of the country ga-abịa chụgharị ọkwa ndị Igbo kwa ngwa ka anyị gbaga na-aga nweta n'obodo anyị ka anyị ike lawa efe n'owe anya nye nwa nsogbu na-arụ nwaanyị arụ ala when I had the problem I faced this morning, I'm in my business. Can I go to close the whole place? I don't know to go the place. Go here. Lock and seal. No business. Go here. I don't go now here. Go now for my hagan. I'm not watching. The whole market carry close down. So how the problem when they face in a foreign country, I know. So I say I'm bamboo and what bank and lower. So as you know, so I can have. They won. This is Odogwu with the seal, the Cubana premium warranty void proof, as you can see, with the label. And behind here, you see NAFDAC registration number. You see produced and packaged by Eagles Limited for Cubana Group. So last week, because of the pressure we had a lot of pressure because of the Easter holidays, and we really needed to meet up. We committed a blunder, which I have to say here. There's no shame in saying that. So we are trying to change the seal from white. We are expecting this is more glossy, more. Sorry. The call was coming in, sorry about that. So, as I was saying, this was our seal, this still is, but we were trying to change to this as part of the security measures. You know, we told you we'll be doing a lot of security measures from time to time, but we are supposed to enlighten you and let you know. So, out of undue pressure, we sent out some cartons that did not go with our seal, 2 or 3 consignments, and it became confusing in the market. And we want to release, okay, this is the label. The old label, which you will see in the market today, is for Cubana Group, but the one we are intending to launch is for Cubana Trading and Investment Company Limited, as you can see. Every other features are intact.
the bottle, the labels, so you can just see it here. So I've been getting calls, I've been getting concerned calls from our people, and the amazing thing here is that I love the way everybody's watching out for this product. I love the way that everybody cares that this product has come to stay. So it's like a family business, like a movement. And the moment they saw something that doesn't align with what we used to say, everybody started reaching out, see. So we was trying to get this void. So this is in the next 1 week, this is the sale you'll be seeing right now. This is silver and more glossy. This is the one we are using now. This is white with the same security features. You can see this one, you can see this one. So it's almost the same thing, but this one is of more quality because we promise to be putting some security measures that will guarantee that they do not bastardize the product. Okay? So the new one that we'll be releasing from next week is the same label, but instead of Cubana Group here, you will see Cubana Trading and Investment Company. Cubana Trading and Investment Company. That is what is here. It's the same label, it's the same number, but this one has the Cubana office address on Adolo Odeku. Cubana Trading, that is Odogwu office address. Odogwu office address. I'll be talking about this from time to time. Okay? So I'm sure, please, for everybody who has this product we started with and is holding it, release the products in the market. There are consumers waiting for this product. You don't need to hold on to it. We are improving our production and supply chain. Release this old one so that we can phase it out by next week. This is what you'll be getting right now. We do not want to have 2 products in the market at any time. There is market, sell off your products. People are waiting to consume these products. Okay? We are sending our sales reps and enlighten people to go and enlighten the market, everybody. But I will keep talking from time to time on this forum. I love the Facebook family. They are always here. They respond very positively. So this is the Odogwu Bitters with Cubana Trading and Investment Company Limited, plot 1263 Adola Odeku Close, off Adola Odeku Street, Victoria Island, Lagos, with the customer care number. Everything is here. Everything is here. I'll say that again. And then we talk about this movement called Odogwu. You see, the Odogwu Bitters movement is something like a wealth creation. People buy it, it doesn't stay. People sell it, even if it's kobo, 100 naira. It's not supposed to be too expensive. There is no reason why Odogwu should sell more than 10,000 in any location, no matter from hand to hand to the final consumer. A carton of 24 bottles should never ever sell more than 10,000 naira. It should never sell that, no matter how you bet, even if it gets to the 4th people. You don't need to mark up more than 300, 500 naira. This is supposed to be pocket friendly. The price is not coming from us. This is supposed to be, it's made for us. It's going to last a lifetime. It's not something that you need to like make money today and run away tomorrow. No, that's not the plan. The important thing is that we want everybody to partake in this movement, in the sharing of this beautiful experience. And then there are a whole lot of people going about on the social media. You started drinking the new Odogwu. It's the same content actually. It's the same everything. It's just the label and the sale that we made some little adjustment for security reasons. And we continue to do this, but we must always enlighten you. We must always tell you this is what is going. So we are begging you, nobody should transact any business with anybody online. People are scamming people. Why do you need to scam people? When you know that when you buy Odogwu, you make money reselling Odogwu. You don't need to steal from people. You don't need to do that. You don't need to scam people. Odogwu is meant to alleviate poverty because it's like a wealth creation chain. You buy, you sell, you make money, another person buys, and it gets to the final consumer, and everybody will be happy. You don't need to steal. You don't need to steal from your fellow countryman who is working so hard. Yeah? You don't need to put a fake number. People will carry people and come and... If you do not come into our office, if you don't know you are a distributor, if you do not know them, do not transact business with anybody. We have a solid office sitting on Adelo Deku. We have distributors. We have phone number at the back of this Odogu. Why do you want to call any other number? Why do you want to call any other? Call the number here. This is our customer care. It's on 24 hours. Please. People should not steal from people. It's not nice. It's not worth it. Everybody's working so hard. Everybody's working. You can't scam somebody who has been trying to sell products and then saves 7 million, 6 million. You tell the person to pay and you disappear. How do you sleep at night? So this product is meant to circulate wealth. It's something like a blessing to everybody. You make your money, you move on. So it's a beautiful chain of business. It's not supposed to be you want to chop today and then break the bridge. It doesn't work that way. Okay? This is the most celebrated bitters in the history of the world, the most traveled. I make bold to say that. And we are working tirelessly to make sure that we give it to you how you want it, chilled, anyhow. Okay? You people, the way you're supposed to lighten up your day and you people are scamming people, making people sad. No, that's not that. I don't preach that. I don't preach that. Take a sip. Take a sip if you have your own Odogu. Come on, take a sip. Prime Minister, you're behind the camera. You're behind the camera. Come and show them how Odogu is drinking with swag. Cheers, bro. Cheers. So, this is what we preach. For everybody, Dubai, I can see Ghana, I see Liberia. Okay, Liberia, your representative is already in Nigeria. We are discussing with them. We are shipping next week to Liberia, massively. Ghana, it is coming. America, it is coming. London is there already. Fire Cubana is doing an amazing work. It's on Norway, it's in Europe, it's in Paris, and everything. So, we are changing our security seal from white to silver. See the new one here. See the current one we are using. We have stopped producing this one. We are trying to allow it to dry in the market. So we don't want to have two labels in the market. This is the seal, the one we are using now. This is the one. We have not released this one to anyone. We've not released this one, but we'll start releasing it from Monday. So if you are holding Odogu, please sell them off and take the new one. You don't need to keep it. You don't need to keep it. Okay? You do not need to keep it. Justin Christian is sipping her Odogu. Oh, okay, sorry. Christian is a man. He's Odogu. While watching, that's good. Honey and ginger. The best. Okay? So, the essence of today's video is to let you know that we have phased out this white seal and replaced it with this silver seal. Okay? This is the white, the one we started with. This is the silver, metallic color, metallic silver. This is what we are giving out right now. Okay, guys? Please. And behind this, you will see Cubana Trading and Investment Company with our phone number. Address is here, phone number is there. Every information, anything other than this, you are not transacting with Odogu Bitters. But you can transact with our distributors. We are going to, the next live I'm going to do, I will list them one by one, their location, their phone numbers, so that we will not be consumed. This Odogu is for us. People should not suffer while trying to Odogulize, you know? You know what I mean? Odogu is live. Odogu is live. And then it's still on the glossy carton. You can see it's still on the glossy carton. You can see it's still on the glossy carton. Okay, so this is our Odogu Bitters, which has Cubana Trading and Investment Company, plot 1263, phone number, everything, NAFDAC registration number. This is the Odogu. This is it. Okay, so I don't see why people should be scamming people for Odogu. We are working day and night to make sure that it goes round. It goes round. Around it we go. Everywhere we are sending. Okay? It's a beautiful, you can see the beautiful skies. Beautiful skies. Lush green environment. Beautiful people. I'm gonna swim now once I'm done. That's the essence of this life. Enjoyment. Okay, I work so hard. I enjoy so hard, okay? And I want you to do the same thing. And when you drink Odogu, you become Odogu. So, Osho State we have Oshobo Brow Services. Brow, he has. Please, Brow Services, Brow, B-R-A-W, multi-services, he has in Oshobo, okay? Please, Odogu should not sell more than 10,000 a carton. I'm appealing to you guys. This is a lifetime enjoyment. We're going to make money from it. You don't want to come and make money overnight and people will feel it's so expensive. No, please, it's supposed to be pocket friendly. It's the best luxury drink. It can be matched, but it should also be at a very reasonable price. Okay? So, like I say again, this is the color of the present Odogu bitter seal, white. Silver is the one you'll be seeing in the market from Monday. From Monday, you'll be seeing this silver seal with Cubana. Sorry, this network. So, you can see I'm sweating already. Odogu, the Odogu effect. Okay, so please, we are changing our seal from white to silver. It is the original. The white is still valid, but I appeal to everybody who is hoarding it to release it this weekend. There is market for Odogu. Just bring it out, let people buy. You start getting your new stock. We are loading from Saturday. By Monday, it will be everywhere. We are flooding the market with Odogu bitters. We are flooding the market with this new Odogu bitters with the label with Cubana Trading and Investment Company. Our office address is here. Our phone number is here. Everything is here. So nobody can scam you again. I hope you enjoy your day. I love you guys. I will always come on this channel to educate you, to share the good news, and to chill with you. Have a nice day. Drink your Odogu bitters. Thank you.
My word, that brings us to the end of this beautiful update. Do wait to like this video, share and subscribe. The best thing for you to do is to join this family by smashing on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, I say bye.